Welcome to Audible Stories, English Fluency in 7 Days. English is the language of science and technology. It is a live stream of everybody's lifestyle. Nowadays it's very important and essential to converse and communicate in English across the globe. There are 4 aspects to advance and excel in learning and communicating fluently in any language. These 4 aspects are listening, reading, speaking and writing. The base of learning is listening effectively, which helps in reading properly, which leads to speaking correctly, and eventually results in writing creatively. The best, simple and the most quickest way to learn English is by listening. The best way of learning is listening to stories. We are all surrounded by stories. We have Bedtime Stories 786 at night before sleeping, and Audible Stories 786 after sleeping. Regular practice and correct prescription will definitely help you to attain a positive response, to enhance and improvise your conversational and communicating skills. Learning to speak English fluently in just 7 days is a challenging goal, as fluency typically requires consistent practice over an extended period of time. However, here are some tips and tricks to help you improve your English skills rapidly in just 7 days. Day 1. The Monday, the moon day or the lunar day. Monday. It comes from moon day, which means lunar day. Immerse yourself. Choose 1 or 2 hours every day to immerse yourself in English. That means for that hours, you can only speak, read and write in English. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Watch English movies, TV shows, and news. Listen to English music, and try to think and act in English. Day 2. The Tuesday, the Tyr day or the Mars day. Tuesday. It is taken from the Norse mythology god Tyr and comes from Tuesday. Practice speaking. Speak English every day in day out, even if it's just talking to yourself. Practice speaking with native speakers, or use language exchange apps to connect with English speakers. Speak in English to a virtual assistant. Day 3. The Wednesday, the Odin's day or the Mercury day. Wednesday. It is derived from the name Wadnesday. It is an old name of Odin, another Norse mythology god. Hence, it is called the Day of Odin. Learn basic phrases. Focus on learning essential phrases and expressions that you can use in your everyday conversations. The best way to remember phrases you've just learned is to say out loud. Say them loud in private places, to build your confidence. Day 4. The Thursday, the Thor's day or the Jupiter day. Thursday. This name is derived from Thor, a Norse mythology god. Hence, it comes from Thor's day. Use flashcards. Create flashcards with English vocabulary words and review them regularly to reinforce and rejuvenate your memory. Start by writing a word on one side of the flashcard and its definition on the other side. Be sure to review the flashcards regularly. Day 5. The Friday, the Frigg's day or the Freya's day. Friday. This name is derived from Frigg, another Norse mythological goddess. It is derived from Frigg's day. Read aloud. Read English texts aloud to practice pronunciation and fluency. Regular practice of reading aloud contributes to the development of natural fluency and rhythm in spoken English. This will also help improve your reading, speaking and listening skills. Day 6. The Saturday, the Saturn day or the Sabbath day. Saturday. It is derived from the name Saturn, a planet in our solar system. It comes from Saturn's day. Grammar and vocabulary. Focus on learning basic grammar, golden rules and essential vocabulary words. Understand the logic behind the language, for instance, text-to-context methodology. Use online tools for resources, textbooks, or language learning apps to help you study. Day 7. The Sunday, the Sun's day or the solar day. Sunday. It comes from the name Sun, a well-known star, the Sun, and is derived from Sun's day. Practice makes perfect. The key to fluency is practice. The more a skill is practiced, the better one becomes at it. Dedicate as much time as possible each day to practicing your English communicating skills. Daily dosage of proper prescription for motivational quotes and stories with ethical values will definitely help to improve your English listening, speaking, reading and writing caliber. Remember, becoming fluent in any language takes time and dedication. By following these 7 days, tips and tricks will help you make significant progress in your English fluency skills. Like I have always said, you have to be the best to deliver the rest. If you like the story with handy hacks and hints, please do like, share among your friends, family, and fraternity, and please do subscribe. Thank you for listening. Keep viewing and upgrade. Great learning.